The burning issue: fire safety for your business. Running a business is about managing risks. One often overlooked risk is fire. Fires can be devastating, causing property damage, business interruption, and even loss of life. This essay is your guide to understanding and mitigating fire risks in your business. By implementing the right strategies and technologies, you can create a safer environment for your employees and protect your investment. This isn't just about ticking boxes for compliance. It's about protecting what you've worked hard to build. It's about ensuring the well-being of the people who make your business thrive. Let's delve into the critical aspects of fire safety for your business. Recognizing the hazards. What sparks the flame? Understanding common fire hazards is crucial for effective prevention. Electrical malfunctions are a leading cause of workplace fires. Faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, and malfunctioning equipment can all ignite a blaze. Heating equipment, especially if poorly maintained, presents another significant risk. Cooking equipment in break rooms or kitchens can also spark fires if not used and maintained properly. Additionally, flammable materials like paper, chemicals, and certain liquids, if not stored correctly, can easily fuel a fire. Understanding these hazards and implementing proper safety measures is the first step toward fire prevention. Basic fire safety, the first line of defense. Every business needs a robust fire safety plan. This plan should include installing and maintaining smoke detectors and fire extinguishers. Conduct regular fire drills to ensure employees know evacuation routes and procedures. Post clear signage indicating exits, fire extinguisher locations, and fire alarm pull stations. Train employees on the different types of fires and the appropriate extinguisher to use. Regularly inspect and maintain all fire safety equipment. This proactive approach is essential for minimizing risks and ensuring the safety of your business and employees. Technological advancements. Fighting fire with innovation. Technology plays a vital role in modern fire safety. Smart smoke detectors, for instance, can differentiate between smoke types and minimize false alarms. Automated fire suppression systems can detect and extinguish fires faster than traditional methods, often before firefighters arrive. These systems use various methods such as sprinklers, foam, or gas agents to suppress fires quickly and effectively. By integrating these technologies into your business, you add an extra layer of protection beyond traditional methods. The power of information remote monitoring and data analysis. Remote monitoring systems take fire safety a step further. These systems provide real-time data on the status of your fire safety equipment. They can alert you to potential issues like low battery levels in smoke detectors or malfunctions in sprinkler systems. Data analytics can identify patterns and trends in your building's fire safety data. This information helps you proactively address potential issues and improve your overall fire safety strategy. These technologies provide valuable insights to enhance fire prevention and response efforts. Shielding your business insurance and data backups. While prevention is paramount, preparing for the worst-case scenario is crucial. Adequate insurance coverage is non-negotiable. Ensure your policy covers property damage, business interruption, and liability in case of a fire. Equally important is backing up your data regularly. Store backups off-site or in the cloud to ensure their safety in case of a fire. These measures may seem secondary, but they can be lifelines for your business in the aftermath of a fire, enabling you to recover and rebuild. Real-life lessons, stories of fire and resilience. Consider the story of a small bakery that suffered a devastating fire due to a faulty electrical panel. They had no sprinkler system, outdated fire extinguishers, and no insurance. The fire destroyed their business, leaving them in financial ruin. Conversely, a tech startup, despite experiencing a small fire caused by a coffee machine malfunction, recovered quickly. Their advanced fire suppression system extinguished the fire before it spread, and their data backups ensured business continuity. These contrasting stories highlight the importance of proactive fire safety measures and the devastating consequences of neglecting them. Actionable takeaways. Safeguarding your business today. Protecting your business from fire requires a multi-pronged approach. Start by conducting a thorough fire risk assessment of your premises. Implement basic fire safety measures like installing smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and creating a fire escape plan. Explore advanced technological solutions like smart detectors and automated suppression systems. Don't overlook the importance of insurance and data backups for business continuity. Remember, fire safety is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing commitment to protecting your business, your employees, and your peace of mind.